Sarasota is well known for its beautiful beaches, warm weather, and vibrant art scene, and the endless outdoor activities. So in this video, we're going to explore one of the hidden gem neighborhoods in Sarasota, which is Gulf Gate. Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube page. This is Nick with Zackos Realty here at our office in Sarasota, Florida. When my wife and I moved down to Florida from Ohio about 10 years ago, we didn't really have a set place in mind. We started out in St. Petersburg and Pinellas County and moved around up there a couple times before finally setting our sights on the Sarasota area, and we absolutely love it. I've been an agent here at Zackos Realty for about 5 years now, and we've helped hundreds of buyers relocate. The reason I wanted to become an agent is because I've felt those pains looking for a house in areas we're not really familiar with, working with real estate agents who didn't seem like they care about us, and it can be overwhelming. So I'm here to ease that process for you. Like I said, today we're going to do a deep dive into the Gulf Gate neighborhood here, which is one of my favorite in the area. We're going to explore everything that makes Gulf Gate such a unique and desirable place to live, from its great mix of shops and restaurants to the close-knit community feel. Gulf Gate has a charm that's hard to resist, and the location is perfect. Let's start with a bit of the history behind the community. The area was originally owned by the Bispham family, who had a business that provided dairy products, to much of the Sarasota area. They eventually sold the acreage to a developer in the late 50s. It was originally developed as a retirement community, but over the years it has transformed into a beautiful multi-generational neighborhood made up of a ton of different single-family ranch-style homes. The location of the Gulf Gate neighborhood is literally perfect. If you're looking to live close to Siesta Key without paying big bucks, this is the place for you. I mean, you're within walking distance to Stickney Point Bridge, which connects mainland Sarasota to Siesta Key. Outside of being close to the beach, Gulf Gate is right off of 72 and the Tamiami Trail, so getting to downtown Sarasota, Lido Key, or down to Venice are all an easy drive. And the Sarasota airport is only about a 30-minute drive, and the closest hospital, which is SMH, is only 15 minutes away. You're centrally located in Sarasota County, so if you're looking to be close to everything, Gulf Gate is a great option. All right, next let's look at the amenities that Gulf Gate residents enjoy. Gulf Gate is different from other communities in the area like Palmer Ranch, Lakewood Ranch, or Welland Park in that the neighborhoods here really don't offer community amenities. But with the location, residents here really get to enjoy the best of Sarasota living. You obviously have Siesta Key right next door, where there are world-class beaches and Siesta Key Village. There's also some great golf courses nearby like Bobby Jones, which just reopened, and a handful of other great courses. For people who enjoy the outdoors, there are a number of great, kayak trails, hiking trails, and parks in the area. You also have the Gulf Gate Shops area here, which is essentially the heart of the community. Here there are a ton of unique and local shops, restaurants, and bars, as well as a Publix and your everyday stores as well. The location of Gulf Gate is just so convenient with schools, the beach, shopping, and dining. Pretty much all of Sarasota is right at your fingertips. Moving on, let's look at the community lifestyle here at Gulf Gate. One of the aspects that sets Gulf Gate apart from other neighborhoods in Sarasota is the community aspect. This is a safe neighborhood where you really feel like, you're a part of the community. Everyone here is really friendly, and I love that it is really walkable. You can, take a stroll around the neighborhood, walk over to Gulf Gate Shops or Siesta Key. It's just so convenient, and you don't have that feel in other parts of Sarasota. I also love that Gulf Gate is multi-generational, meaning that there's something for everyone here, whether you're a retiree, a young family, or anyone in between. For families with children, the Sarasota County School District is one of the best in the state, and Gulf Gate has a number of great schools nearby, most of them A-rated. Like I said, this is a very socially active neighborhood. Residents here are friendly, welcoming, and there's a real neighborly vibe. Whether it's a community yard sale, garage sale, a festival, or just, a chat while you're walking your dog, Gulf Gate has a warmth that's hard to find in larger neighborhoods. All right, lastly, let's look at the real estate in Gulf Gate. The real estate here is as diverse as its residents. You'll find everything from, cozy bungalows to larger renovated homes. And the best part, Gulf Gate is one of Sarasota's more affordable neighborhoods, making it a great option for first-time home buyers, retirees, and really everyone. Gulf Gate is made up of a handful of different neighborhoods, including Gulf Gate Estates, there's Manor, Pines, Woods, and Gulf Gate East. Most of the homes here are those typical Florida ranch-style single-family homes, but there are a number of condos and villas in the Gulf Gate area as well. Looking at pricing, like we mentioned, this is one of the more affordable communities in the area. Single-family homes are typically in the mid $300,000 to $600,000 range, which again, given the location and the community, I think is a great bargain. Just driving through Gulf Gate, you can feel that, this neighborhood is different from others, and that's what I love about it. So whether you're looking for a place to call home or, just want to explore a different side of Sarasota, Gulf Gate is a neighborhood that truly has it all. It's a place where history meets modern living, where, local businesses thrive, and where a community spirit is alive and well. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I really appreciate it. If you're looking for more information on Gulf Gate or really anywhere in the Sarasota area, feel free to reach out anytime or go check out our other videos on our YouTube page. Hey everyone, this is Nick with Zakos Realty. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out our videos and content. I just wanted to take a quick second to introduce myself. Both my wife and I are originally from Ohio. Both of us went to Ohio State and moved down here to Florida in 2016. We originally started off in St. Petersburg before moving to Dunedin and then down to Venice before finally settling here in Sarasota with our 2 daughters. I'm really grateful that we had the opportunity to live, in both in Pinellas County and down here in Sarasota, because it gave us some really good insight into, the area as a whole and helped us realize, what we're looking for in a community. So anyone looking for pointers on either, relocation from up north or maybe comparing the Tampa, St. Pete area compared to Sarasota and Venice, feel free to reach out anytime. I've been with Zakos Realty for a few years now and absolutely love it. Working with Ryan and David and our close team is really what I was looking for in a brokerage. The fact that we are a smaller, family-owned company has been really great, and we help each other out all the time. So when you work with one of us, it's like working with all of us. Like I said, I just wanted to take a quick moment to introduce myself. So if you have any questions about the area or our brokerage, feel free to reach out anytime. Thank you. Thanks again.